Hello class. Now we shall try to understand and learn about the principle of potentiometer. A potentiometer is based on the fact that fall of potential across any portion of the wire is directly proportional to the length of that portion. In the previous video, we calculated the potential between points A1 as 1 volt, potential between A2 as 3 volt, and in the answer you calculated the fall of potential between A3 as 7 volt. Also recall that the length between A1 was 10 centimeter, length between AA2 was 30 centimeter, length between AA3 was 70 centimeter. So 1 bolt is proportional to 10 centimeter, 3 bolt is proportional to 30 centimeter, 7 bolt is proportional to 70 centimeter. So fall of the potential across the wire is proportional to the length of that portion. Now provided that condition is that the wire is of uniform area of cross section, the thickness of the wire should be constant throughout the wire and a constant current is flowing through it. Mathematically, this can be written as V is proportional to L or V is equal to K into L. Here K is a constant. Now if this constant is calculated, then it is V upon L. So let us take L is equal to 1 centimeter. So K is equal to V. So potential gradient, this is called potential gradient. Potential gradient is fall of potential or potential drop on 1 centimeter of the potentiometer wire. Now answer me, what is the unit of potential gradient? Now here is a circuit. In this circuit, AB is a potentiometer wire which is of length 4 centimeter to 10 meter, 4 meter to 10 meter. It is made up of Constantan or Magnin wire. Now these two extreme points A and B of the potentiometer wire are connected to an ammeter which records constant current through the potentiometer wire, a driving battery or cell B, key or switch K, and a rheostat to control the current through the potentiometer wire. Now VAJ, suppose J1 is a point here, AJ1. So VAJ1, fall of potential between point AJ1 is nothing but the current flowing through the wire I into the resistance of this portion according to Ohm's law, RAJ1. Now this will be equal to current, resistivity, length of this portion, let it is L1, upon area of cross section of this wire. And if I is constant as the condition mentioned in the principle, rho, the composition of the wire from A to B throughout is same, it is of the same material. Area of cross section is constant, again uniform cross sectional area wire is taken. Therefore, if I is constant, rho is constant, A is constant, then VAJ1 will be proportional to L1. And this VAJ1 is nothing but K into L1. K is the potential drop of 1 centimeter of potentiometer wire. Similarly, let J2 is here a point on the wire at a length L2. Therefore, AJ2 is nothing but KL2.